So with all the extra free time I've had at home, I've been 3D printing some things like this face shield here. So I actually 3D printed the mounting system. But since medical offices are kind of short on certain things like face shields, I thought I'd help out and produce some of my own. Even though I'm not pumping out like Apple, which is doing like 1 million face masks per week, I can do about 5 per week. A little something, but you know, it helps out the smaller hospitals which aren't being seen by a lot of these donations. So here's the finished headband for the face shield. So basically this is like the top part to like this guy. So now all I need is the clear plastic shield. That will kind of mount on these little posts here. And then a rubber band goes on these guys here, goes around. And then these little reinforcement plates go at the bottom of the plastic just to keep the curvature. And then for the shield I had to order plastic from Amazon. So this is PETG plastic, 030 thickness. Just cut it to shape and then install it on here. I got a bit of foam right in here just to make it a little more comfortable. And here is my 3D printer setup. So it's in a big old cardboard box. That's to actually retain heat. They like to be at a specific temperature. So the print bed is actually heated, and that's to help adhesion for the print to stick to the bed while it's printing. So here I'm printing out more of the surgical mask relief straps. The loops that usually go around your ears actually loop around on these little teeth here, and the pressure is moved from behind the ear to the back of your head. A lot of doctors and police officers have explained that after wearing it for like 12 plus hours a day, or saws away at the back of the ear and kind of eats away the skin there, making it raw or like cutting them even. So these will definitely help out and relieve the back of people's ears.